Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cordless clippers is probably one of the most sought-after tools for both professional barbers and home users, offering unparalleled freedom and convenience for a variety of hairstyles and beard trims. In this video, we will explore the top-rated cordless hair clippers on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the perfect tool to achieve your desired look. From classic fades to intricate designs. Number 5. Wahl Color Pro. It's rechargeable and wireless for ultimate convenience. Use it cordless or plugged in, whichever suits you best. Finding the right length is now easier than ever. The color-coded combs make choosing the perfect setting simple and quick. The removable and rinsable blades ensure easy cleaning. Just rinse them under water for a hygienic grooming experience. With a variety of cutting lengths, adjusting your trim is effortless. The color key makes finding the right comb a breeze. Enjoy 60 minutes of cordless runtime. It's perfect for travel, with worldwide voltage for use anywhere. Wahl clippers make a great gift for anyone. Give the gift of precise and easy grooming this holiday season. For optimal battery health, give it a full charge at least every 6 months. This will ensure it lasts for years to come. What we like. It's cordless and rechargeable, perfect for on-the-go grooming. The color-coded combs make choosing the right length a breeze. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the clipper for you. What people say. The motor on this thing is insane. While I was shopping, my old clippers were completely unusable, and the shag was starting to build up. 3 weeks I went without a shave. When these came in and I used them for the first time, I cleared away that 3 weeks of shaggy growth in under 2 minutes. I'm a full-grown adult, and I still appreciate the color coding. Even if I'm tired and not paying the best attention, red as me is pretty simple to remember. These cut hair well away from themselves, and anything that does start to build up is easily swept away post-shave with the cleaning brush provided. The guards are similarly easy to clean out. Number 4. Wahl 5-Star Magic Clip. It's the ultimate tool for any professional barber or stylist. Experience the power and precision you need for flawless cuts. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with its long-lasting lithium-ion battery. Work uninterrupted for over 100 minutes. It features precision blades for incredibly sharp and detailed cuts. Achieve any style with ease and confidence. This isn't just a small clipper, it's a full-size powerhouse. It's built to handle even the toughest jobs. Get salon-quality results every time. It's designed to meet the demands of the most discerning professionals. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides consistent performance. Say goodbye to power interruptions during your busiest times. With over 100 minutes of cordless runtime, it keeps up with your demanding schedule. Complete even the longest haircuts without interruption. What we like. This clipper offers both corded and cordless use, providing ultimate flexibility. Its long runtime ensures you can finish even the longest haircuts without interruption. If you need a powerful and reliable clipper for professional use, this is the one for you. What people say. Accurate, quality craftsmanship, and rechargeable. Best clippers I've used for the 30 years I've been cutting hair. Staying nice and sharp. I've noticed getting my hair cut down the street that some of the barbers use these as well. The adjustable taper and 8 cutting guides, ranging from 1/16 to 1, provide incredible versatility for achieving different styles and lengths. The cordless functionality is a game changer, offering flexibility and convenience whether I'm at home or on the go. Number 3. Wahl 79434 Clipper Kit. This versatile kit gives you the power to groom your hair, beard, and body with precision. It's perfect for achieving any style at home. Enjoy 60 minutes of cordless runtime, giving you the freedom to move around. The long-lasting battery ensures you'll always be ready to groom. Its self-sharpening stainless steel blades provide a smooth, snag-free cut every time. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the removable blades. With 12 attachment guards included, you have everything you need for any length or style. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution. Surprise the men in your life with a gift they'll truly appreciate. It's a top-rated clipper that's perfect for any occasion. Wahl has been a trusted name in professional grooming since 1919. This clipper embodies that same quality and precision. What we like. Enjoy 60 minutes of cordless runtime with this versatile kit. It comes with multiple guards for various hair lengths and styles, and the blades are easy to clean. If you're looking for a complete grooming solution for home use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The clippers are good quality. The attachment are easy to put on and take off. It doesn't overheat. It holds a charge for a long time. I opened the Wahl, charged it for about 5 or 6 hours. Used it to cut my hair for over an hour. I haven't tried the second set of clippers for beard trimming or anything yet, but both of them feel sturdy. Well built. And durable. Add in the convenience of not having to try to maneuver around with a wall plug attached to the trimmers makes a huge difference in your ability to cut your own hair. The Wahl Clipper Rechargeable Haircutting and Trimming Kit is a versatile grooming tool designed for heads, longer beards, and all-over body grooming. With its rechargeable cordless functionality, it offers flexibility for use at home or on the go. The precision blades provide smooth cuts, while the included guide combs make it easy to achieve your desired length. Number 2. Pro Cordless Clippers. It's a versatile hair clipper. Use it cordless for mobility or corded for continuous power. Enjoy up to 200 minutes of cordless runtime on a single charge. Charging is simple, just plug it in. 5 indicator lights show the charging progress, and they all light up when it's fully charged. Easily adjust the power to your preference with 3 different speed settings. Find the perfect speed for your hair type and desired cut. This isn't just a clipper, it's a complete kit. You get multiple guide combs for various lengths, plus essential accessories like a cape, cleaning brush, and oil. It's perfect for both head and facial hair. The full-size guide combs ensure a precise trim every time, even for kids. It features a powerful motor that cuts through thick hair effortlessly, yet it's also quiet enough for sensitive ears. Experience a smooth, snag-free cut. What we like. It provides cordless and corded options for ultimate convenience. You can adjust the cutting strength to suit different hair types. If you want a versatile, powerful clipper with a complete kit of accessories, this is perfect for you. What people say. Low vibration and quality cutting. All attachments easy to use and very functional. It did not pull hair and glided through with ease. It has some weight to it and feels like you're holding something, stays sharp, and the battery seems to last forever. The rechargeable battery offers extended runtime, ensuring you can complete your grooming without interruptions. The sharp blades that deliver clean, precise cuts, and the adjustable length settings make it easy to achieve the desired style. Number 1. Novah Hair Clippers. It has been tested in top barbershops globally. Now, this professional-grade clipper is available to everyone for creating flawless cuts. With decades of professional experience, it offers limitless creative potential. 6 premium guards, an adjustable head, and ultra-sharp blades provide unparalleled precision. This versatile tool lets you shape, outline, and define your look with ease. Take control of your style with this premium hair cutting kit. Designed for both professional barbers and home use, it provides optimal comfort and control. The ergonomic handle prevents strain, and the LED display keeps you informed. The all-metal body offers a luxurious feel and durable performance. The fast-charging lithium battery provides all-day use, and the turbo speed options give you extra power when needed. What we like. This clipper is designed for professionals, offering precision and durability. Its versatile design allows for various styles and cuts. If you demand the best quality and performance, this is the clipper for you. What people say. The clippers are powerful and provide a smooth, precise cut, making them ideal for both professional barbers and home use. The set includes various attachments and guards, allowing for versatile styling options. The clippers and trimmers are powerful, precise, and built to last. No more pulling or uneven cuts. Cordless design, the convenience of using it without cables makes it perfect for any angle and easy to take anywhere. Both trimmer and clipper function much better than any other trimmers I've had in the past, professional Wahl, and they do so with ease, no hair pulling or jamming. A great feature is that the adjuster on the side of the clipper clicks into position rather than glides, which stops it from self-adjusting as you cut. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.